When Allah loves you, this is the ultimate success you could ever achieve. If you reach Allah, you reach anything. And if Allah loves you, every creature will love you. And if Allah loves you, He will guide you, grant you victory, and support you. He will grant your heart at peace, and most people can't find this inner peace. If Allah loves you, He will grant you wisdom. If Allah loves you, He will grant you contentment. If Allah loves you, He will protect you. If Allah loves you, He will bring your enemy to your service. And on the other side, if Allah's anger fall upon a servant, being drifted away from His love, he will lose his own soul. He will experience no safety or security.
Verily, if Allah loves someone, Allah calls Jibreel alayhi salam and said, "O Jibreel, I want you to know that I love this person, so you should love this person also." Jibreel alayhi salam does not need to know anything else about you except that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves you to love you as well. So Jibreel alayhi salam loves you as well. And then Jibreel alayhi salam calls all of the malaika, and he is their master, he is their chief. And he said, inhabitants of the heavens, Allah loves this person, so love this person. So all of the inhabitants of the heavens love that person as well. So the Prophet ﷺ says that acceptance is then placed in the hearts of the people for that person. Love is placed in the hearts of the people for that person. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us beloved to Him, make us beloved to Jibreel, make us beloved to the angels, make us beloved to the prophets, make us beloved to all of those righteous people who follow the Prophet ﷺ and gain the love of Allah and the angels as well.